Sometimes in life you're gonna start slow. That's okay. We told ourselves, hey, we're gonna start slow. We're gonna keep going fast. We're gonna start slow.
What? Do you have an idea for our experiment yet?
No.
Ethan, you have an idea yet?
No!
Ethan, you have an idea yet? No. Do you have an idea yet?
No.
We're gonna start slow, but we're always gonna finish fast.
Hello, class. I'm Ethan. This is Tyler. And our experiment today is to see if these rubber bands can make this watermelon explode.
The rubber bands are going to be the independent variable because we are cheating them ourselves. This watermelon right here, it's the control, it's staying the same. And then our dependent variable is the explosion after we put these rubber bands on it. And our materials, these are our safety goggles, aka my mom's glasses, and obviously the rubber bands and the watermelon.
Okay, so the reason this watermelon explodes is because when we place a rubber band on it, it starts to constrict the watermelon. And that's the potential energy. And then once the watermelon explodes, that turns into kinetic energy, which is the motion from the explosion. Okay, so this right here is the 25th rubber band. As you can see, we're placing them all in the middle just to put a constant pressure at one point, give it a greater chance of exploding. And don't mind the stick here, it's just here to make sure that the watermelon doesn't roll away.
Mid-experiment, we got the migration over here. Look at all the geese. Look at all these. Here's the watermelon.
They're coming back up north.
Alright, a little too cold out here. We're still going strong. 200 on this bad boy now. As you can see, it's bending a little bit. Oh, Jesus. It's 200.
We're at 250, there's a little bit of juice coming out. The potential energy is building up a lot. It changed the shape of the watermelon very much. So
It's really cold, by the way. Alright, we got an update. We're around 265 rubber bands. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty scared right now. So you can see how this is juicing. So it's about to happen.
So we're at 300 rubber bands. The watermelon looks like it's about to explode.
Leaking a little bit. You can see that.
Let's see how much more force it can withstand.
390.
Wrong side.
What?
Wrong side.
Yeah. While taking a warm-up break because it's way too cold outside right now, our watermelon decided to explode at 390 rubber bands. Myth confirmed. Shout out to you, Mr. Gelinas. Very sorry that we missed the explosion, but here's something to put some excitement back into the video. Here's the ball from the watermelon, and here's more excitement.